So the first step which you're going to want to do is to take off this part, which is like the shifter boot part. So to do that, you can get like a plastic pry tool and pry up the silver trim, or you can just use your hand. I'm just going to use my hand. Put it back here and then lift up, and it has come off. So now you can just lift that up. And now at the bottom of the shifter boot, if I can get a good camera angle of it, there we go. Focus please, camera. But there is this metal clip right here. You can see it spinning a bit. Sorry, the focus is horrible right now. There we go. So this little metal clip here, one that I'm spinning, that is keeping the gear knob currently on there. So you just want to loosen that up so that you can pull off the actual gear knob. So to do that, I'm going to use a screwdriver. So I'm just going to get one that can fit in there. And I should be able to use this one probably. This is going to be quite hard with one hand. So I'm just literally putting it in the little opening right here. And I'm just going to try to twist it a bit to push the metal apart to loosen it up a bit. There we go. Alright, so I just made sure to loosen the metal clip thing a bit more, and then because it kind of clamps in on all four of these corners, it clamps in, so just loosen it up as much as you can. Then you won't need to put much effort in at all to lift this off of the rest of the shifter.